In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Pinterest desktop username. If you're rebranding or just want a cleaner handle, changing your Pinterest username on desktop is quick. One important note before we begin, your username appears in your public profile link. When you change it, your profile URL changes too, so plan to update any links you've shared elsewhere after you finish. Start by opening Pinterest in a desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. At the top right, look for your profile picture. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it to open your account menu. This menu is where Pinterest groups your account controls, so it's the fastest path to all your key settings. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens your broader account and profile controls in a new view. On the Settings page, select Edit Profile. This is where you manage your public-facing information like your display name, bio, and the username we're changing today. Now, scroll until you see the field labeled Username. This field controls the handle that appears in your Pinterest URL. As you work here, Pinterest may show a quick preview of your new profile link so you can see how it will look when you share it. Click into the username box and type the new handle you want. Keep it short, memorable, and consistent with your brand or name if possible. As you type, Pinterest will check availability. If the username is taken or includes characters Pinterest doesn't allow, you'll see a message prompting you to adjust it. Try simple variations like adding a short word or a number that still looks clean. Avoid confusing characters and keep it easy to read. If you see an indicator that it's available, you're good to go. When you're happy with the new handle, click Save. Pinterest will apply your change and return you to your profile settings. If anything doesn't meet their requirements, you'll get a clear prompt to tweak the username and try saving again. After saving, visit your profile to confirm everything looks right. Remember, your boards, pins, and followers stay the same. Only your handle and profile link change. If you share your profile on a website, email signature, or other social platforms, update those links so people can still find you. Also, your display name is separate from your username, so if you want your on-screen name to match your new handle, you can update that in the same Edit Profile section. That's it. Your Pinterest desktop username is now updated. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.